In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this icon of a photo and a paper clip at the bottom. Now to locate your photo, click on Images in Recent Files. Select one of those apps, or click on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources. Either way, after finding your photo, just hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!